In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete campaigns in Mailchimp. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a campaign removes it from your campaigns list and can't be undone. If you rely on the reports or content in a campaign, consider saving any needed assets or exporting reports first. With that in mind, let's get you to a clean, organized campaign view. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, head to the campaigns area. You can usually find it in the main navigation. This is where all of your campaigns, drafts, sent items, and scheduled ones are listed. If you manage a lot of campaigns, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to remove. Double check the campaign name and status so you're sure you're acting on the right item. When you've located the campaign you want to delete, look over to the right side of its row for the Actions menu. It typically appears as a small drop-down arrow or a labeled button. Click that drop-down to reveal the available actions for that specific campaign. Among the options you'll see, choose Delete. Mailchimp will usually prompt you to confirm because deletion is permanent. Take a moment here to make sure you won't need the content or analytics later. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. The campaign will be removed from your list. Now, if you're trying to clean up several campaigns at once, there's a faster way. On the campaigns page, look to the left side of each campaign row for a checkbox. Select the checkbox next to each campaign you want to delete. You can mark 2, 3, or more, whatever you need to remove. As you select them, you'll see a bulk action bar or menu appear, often at the top of the list. This menu lets you apply one action to all selected items at the same time. With your campaign selected, click Delete in the bulk action area. Again, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully to ensure you're deleting exactly what you intend. Keep in mind that deleting campaigns won't impact your audience, tags, or templates. It only removes the campaign entries themselves from your list. If everything looks right, confirm the deletion. Mailchimp will process the request and remove all selected campaigns together. Depending on how many items you've deleted, the page may refresh, or you'll see a brief status message confirming the action. If you don't immediately see the change, try refreshing the page or clearing any filters you set earlier. The campaigns you deleted should no longer appear in your list. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If a campaign is in the process of sending, Mailchimp may prevent deletion until it's no longer sending. In that case, wait for the send to complete or ensure it's not actively going out before you try again. Also, if you ever want to preserve the layout or content before deleting, consider saving the email design as a template. That way, you can reuse the structure later without keeping the campaign itself around. And that's it. You've learned how to delete a single campaign using the Actions drop-down, and how to bulk delete by selecting multiple campaigns and confirming the deletion. Keeping your campaigns list tidy helps you focus on what's active and important, and it makes reporting and navigation much easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to follow along step by step as you clean up your Mailchimp account.